program, and we are also participating for the Air Force headquarters program for the aviation goggles, which is for your Mi-17s and Western helicopters. So we are progressing in that direction. And sir, as we are speaking, there is one particular requirement which has come up from the Air Force for the thermal night vision goggles. But there is a slight confusion, sir. We are not able to reach out to the right user. There, we are dealing with the procurement directorate, but it's a huge quantity for 1924 numbers, and I believe they are being used by Provost. But we are not being able to interact with the
Who are you interacting with in the
RT, Wing Commander RT is there. And yeah.
So within this system, we have
So actually, sir, we want to reach out to the right user because there is some technical issue with the specification and we are going in loops and the tender is getting extended. I believe that's so how can we reach out to the right person?
So you reach back to RT.
Okay.
And
Okay. Yes, sir. I'll
Good morning, sir. Jai Hind, sir. From Axio Fire Station, saving lives, sir. So Axio start is there, sir. For the gunshot, for the sponge one is there, sir. So we have this Z4 we have recently launched, sir. You can just see the Z4 one, sir. For the deep stuffing, for the wounds, so the gunshot that take a blast, sir. And it is a real bandage for the head injuries, for the limb injuries. So if we talk about this, a chitosan base is a Make in India concept, sir. We have an R&D at Ahmedabad, sir. And we are supplying to the outside armies also. So we have got this CE approval, CE 2460 mark. And we have got the US FDA patent also, sir, of a muco addition, that's a charge weight addition, sir. So, sir, easy removal is there. After 24 hours, you put a water, the soldier can put a water and it will form, it will form into a soft gelatin, sir. So that's the beauty of this, sir. So right now we are into 350 defense establishment. So right now we are, it's a prime responsibility to launch it. So we have launched this Suraksha Kavach kit, sir, for the defense, sir. It's a contains a Z4 for the sponge is there for the gunshot, sir, and head injuries, sir. And there's a wound gel is there, sir, for the necrotic tissue and for the moistness, sir. So that's a complete kit. Suraksha Kavach, sir.
We are also looking for something, I don't know if the same company for our
Exactly.
for our aircrew, in the ejection seat.
Yeah.
We keep some
Exactly,
kind of a
exactly,
state
sir.
kit in there. So we are looking for that.
So,
I'm not sure if this is the
so
same.
we are coming in the communal buddy kits, sir, with the Air Force. So right now we have supplied this to 220 units into that, sir.
Okay.
So the, I think I have taken in Tanmay Roy, sir, has finalized of that's the trauma kit he has finalized.
trauma kit. So it's part of the
So
same.
it's a part of sir. That's the thing. So that's a kit that we are presenting to you. You can keep it in your bag. It's like an insurance. We don't want to get it used, but it is like a safety part, sir. What does the shelf life? So 5-year shelf life we have right now. 5-year shelf life, and even after, even when we are supplying, so almost 1/3 of the difference. अगर जहाँ पे भी अगर expire भी हो रहा है, so we are supplying it back also. So that's the key of the things. So we are parting. So one of the things that is right now we are approaching the Garud Commandos as a major, sir, like NSG. We are doing a training program in the combat casualty care in a layman language. We try to understand the battlefield injuries, sir, and talk about the massive bleeding control, how to use tourniquet, pressure bandages, and this airway management, respiratory management, and shock management, sir. So we are into that program also, sir, as a part of service.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Right, sir. Jai Hind, sir. Pride meeting you, sir. Sure, sir. Sir, can I have a liberty, sir?